Hi guys, welcome to the course Practical Visit to Data Mining. So under this course, what you are going to learn? You're going to understand how to make decisions, especially about customer data. You're going to apply data mining techniques. You're going to build how to build machine learning models with data mining techniques, applying at different scenarios with respect to the different techniques that we apply in our day-to-day life. You're going to apply all your key skill set at the same time on different data sets, like understanding how data mining works in the industry, what are the different techniques we use, why do we use, and a lot of things at the same time. So let's discuss the course roadmap. So the very first section, we're going to understand overview and introduction of data mining. Then we're going to understand what are the essential of data mining, and after that we're going to understand and we're going to analyze some of the mining techniques and algorithm. Then we're going to understand what is clustering, why do we need it, and why it is one of the use case in this particular big industry in this data mining domain, right? After that we are going to understand why clustering and its application, like with some of the algorithm like dbScan, k-means, and a lot of different algorithm like Birch algorithm. Then we're going to understand what is an outlier and their effect, like how do we deal outlier with a different data set, and like how they how to deal them at the same time. Then we're going to apply data mining technique with some of the business use cases on some of the data set, like how do we apply them, how do we handle outliers, how do we apply dbScan, k-means, different clustering technique at the same time. And we're going to understand what is decision tree, how do we apply it, right, and why does it make really important in somehow while we are doing clustering with respect to the big data set, right? Then we're going to understand what is advanced clustering techniques. Right, in advanced clustering technique, we're going to, as we know, like all clustering methods, it's not going to be fit for a large number of data sets. So we are having some of the technique like Birch algorithm, where we're going to explore why do we use Birch algorithm at best and why it is one of the mostly used algorithm with respect to the other clustering algorithm, right? You're going to understand everything from the basics, right? Why data mining is mostly used, what is data mining in simple words. So in the full course, we are going to master the key how to think as a data mining engineer or as a machine learning engineer, or this is how we're going to make sense at the same time. So I guess you guys will be learning really good things with this journey with me. So thanks for joining this course. And what are the prerequisites of this particular course? You should be familiar with basics of Python. You should have some sort of experience with Python for data science, and you should know basics of machine learning. Okay, you should familiar with what are the function, how to create functions and with respect to Python, because we are going to understand mostly things in terms of business perspective, in terms of the owner perspective, and applying data mining techniques at the same time, right? So here we go, and we're looking to get in touch with each other. We're looking to get in touch with each other with different techniques and different domains, right? And we'll learn a lot of things at the same time. So thanks for joining again, guys.